Okay.
You need a professor or doctor to take you inside there. Not really. Not really. Because I'm just a nature guy.
But you will know more than us.
I know mosquito and leeches.
So there's a Chinese saying, if we read as much as we want, also it won't be the same as we experience.
I see.
Wise man, wise man.
Seriously,
Very interesting. Thank you, Chingy, thank you.
this is my marks, right? So
What?
as you know, this
Talking about
FRIM, yeah, it was
serious?
established in 1929. Yeah, so FRIM is it's like a window of nature. The biggest man-made forest in the world, actually. Yeah. Actually, we can create forests. We can make forests. This is what we see now. Yeah. Since 1929, most of the trees here were planted. Yeah. 75% of the trees here were planted. Yeah. So naturally, yeah, if you go inside the forest, it will look like a natural forest. I like in the natural forest you can find around 200 over species in one particular hectare. But in here, they planted only few species, yeah, in one particular hectare, so not
Okay,
much,
I can see that.
yeah, species in this what you call, especially in this area. Mostly all what we call like here in here, the nearest field here covered by conifer, most of the conifer family, and then the other side is Diplocap and non-Diplocap family. We have the biggest and the richest collection in the world. We have Diplocap and non-Diplocap family. So generally in our forest we have three types of hardwood. Unlike in the Position country we have softwood only. But in here we have three types of hardwood. We have heavy, medium, and light hardwood. Generally if you enter the forest, the bigger the tree, the lighter the wood is. Bigger the tree, the lighter the wood is. Because why? Yeah, lighter, very light. Yeah, because why? Normally the lighter hardwood it has a very low density, so it can grow very very fast. Yeah, like the rubber trees, durian trees, all that is light hardwood. Yeah. All these trees here, almost same age. The one that is in a small size belong to the heavy hardwood. Yeah. So it's like a water catchment area here. Yeah, 486 hectares altogether. It's a well protected forest, well taken care, meant for research and development. Yeah, we have almost like 100 over scientists working here, all over the world doing the research and development. Yeah. We're registered by almost like 1,000 staff here. Yeah. We have a few spots in Peninsula doing the same, almost like the same activities here. Like in Perlis, we have thickwood testing area, and then Perak, Pahang, Terengganu, all that, and then Kenyir Lake. Also, we have a few spots doing the same activities like here. Most of the forest ranger they will do what you call they will graduate here. They will learn about all related forest here industry for 3 years after graduated here. Then will be posted most like all Malaysia. So they start here first. This is the school for them. Yeah, forest ranger. So anything would you like to ask about?
Is there anything that we're supposed to look out for? Like monkeys?
Any related field? Environment? Assignment?
Yes, they need right.
So look out for everything.
From, from the temperature, soil.
My phone's gonna burn.
Soil, yeah. Temperature is around, it's very humid. It's around 29 degrees. And then what you call the sunlight penetrate less than 20% in the forest floor. And then they receive around 65% of rainwater. Yeah. reach the forest law, and then the other 35% evaporate. 35% evaporate.
Not
Yeah.
30%
So
evaporate.
without the forest,
No catchment areas. Yeah.
Right there, she down.
the forest is like
Sunlight only.
okay.